First thing you do is pop the AC panel out. You can leave it plugged in, that's okay. You see your 2 screws down here, they've got to come out. And then at the top, first we need to remove the back bit. You just loosen it a bit first. So there's a little indent here, you can get your pry tool in there. And this little indent there. And then you can work your way around. That. This one comes up. Again, I'm just going to loosen it again, just work my way and pry tool around the edges to loosen it up. Remove it. So what I did is just grab it with both hands and then pull it carefully forward. You see that loosens it up. And then there's just this front bit we get out. Like that. Sit back there. And there's the 2 screws on the top to get this out. So I've got a Phillips head screwdriver. I'll start removing these screws now. Okay, screws are out, and then we can just stop pulling this forward as well. Okay. Make sure you don't scratch any plastics with this big heavy metal cage that's in there. Very easily done. I'm just going to unplug all the plugs one by one. They're all on push tabs, so unplug everything. So I've unplugged my old stereo. I've taken the clips off the corners of this stereo and I've put them onto the new frame. So it's here. That's all we need to do to prepare the frame. Plugged everything in. So my main power plug, my radio aerial antenna. This one, which I'm only really using for the microphone, which I've ran underneath there and up to here. Like that. Actually don't need this one. We've got, it's a spare one. So all you need is the 2 USBs here. I've put them in my glove compartment. And I put my SIM card holder in there as well, which is part of this one. My reverse camera adapter, always plug it in anyway, even if your model doesn't have one reverse camera. If you do have reverse camera like on this one, then you'll have the plug, this one to plug it in. It'll be pre-wired. And then the blue and pink for the GPS and Wi-Fi aerials, which have just stuck down just there, the rectangular one there and the square one there. And that's it, that's all the plugs you need, all plugged in and ready to use. And now it's just a case of putting everything back the way it came out.
Into the buzz that you heard it shots.